Every time I see somebody with a short hair like that, or you like you, Dr. Jeffers, that head reminds me of heaven. There'll be no parting over there. I told these fellas when I first got here, this thing was rocking and jumping and jamming. I said, you guys don't need me, man. My God, I need to go home. What a wonderful, I miss being here. Wonderful music program and all the speakers that preceded me, and just sit down for just a second. I'm in a very, very precarious position right now. I really am. I have 2 million miles on my carcass just with Delta Airlines. I've been doing this for 40 some odd years. Nothing scares me. All right? Nothing. Politicians don't intimidate me. Congregations don't scare me. But tonight is probably the first time in 40 plus years that I am just uneasy. I have not preached a major conference in the apostolic realm now for over 2 years. And I've only preached a couple of times at a home missions church on a Friday night. And I'm very, very awkward, and I thank you so much. I have not preached a conference in over 2 years, and now I'm here tonight. I guess I'm supposed to hit the ball out of the park or something. I'll tell you what, Doc, you can't get much better than what you just did. If you did it any better than that, it'd be wrong. That was fantastic. Glad to see so many of my wonderful friends. Saw Brother Martin over there, Brother Drost, all you guys. So honored to be with you. Thank you for letting me come. Now, my Geritol. I'm in bed by 11. It is now 11:15. So if you give me just a few minutes, I'd like to bring you just a little thought. Just a little thought. Before I preach, now everybody else gets to say something. First, let me commend the bishop and your family and all the Lopez's. That's fantastic. All the wonderful accolades. That's just fantastic. God bless you. Thank you for your faithfulness to the kingdom. I had a rough year last year. I had a really rough time. I was able to pull through a second stroke that almost killed me, and I lost 90% of my vision, and didn't drive for 6 months, and it was really funny because I couldn't see. I can't hardly see now, but I couldn't see then. And my Spanish pastor, Alex Martinez, I'd get here. Now I'm half blind. Well, I was 80% blind. And these people would line up like, we don't give a flip about you. We want you to pray for us. And Alex, literally, Doc, Alex would grab a hold of my drawers because he was afraid I was going to fall off the platform because I couldn't see. And I'm just leaning over praying for these people, and sometimes I hit their head, sometimes I didn't hit their head. Now, you may think I'm not talking, but I'm talking some stuff right now. You just watch. And I walk back. I'm okay. I ain't going to fall off. I got my lawyer's card with me. I'll be okay. And I walk back and I say, Lord, this is so tragic. I'm 80% blind. I can't see. I can't drive. These people are asking me to pray. How can I pray for these people? Look at the condition that I'm in. And the Lord gave me a revelation. He said, your condition ain't got nothing to do with my power. That's power. serve people that have colds and backaches and stuff. They still use their skill and their ability. Mechanics are sick and they still fix your car. Just because you're not doing well and you're having problems, what has your wellness got to do with my greatness? What